It's happening.
There we go. Hey!
Finally.
And it was so bad.
Literally. Even open the back.
It's new.
Okay, open the back. You can't.
Guys, this is how you know he's a bit weird.
It's so bad.
This
Guys,
is how you know.
his iPad is so bad. It's funny.
Just so guys, you know, my friend is a bit weird.
No, it's funny just because your iPad is so bad. You can't open the back.
Oh,
Oh, I got a Team Walkout foot chance for that. Washington. No, I wanted Barcelona. And it's still. Oh, that's 90 Dybala. Okay.
Wait, did you want 97 Salah?
No, 97 Messi. Oh, what a bag!
Yeah, I meant 97 Messi.
Salah. Guys, his favourite player is Salah.
That's why I said Salah.
Hey, you got him dizzy. Like, you got him dizzy. Oh, it's Griezmann. Wait, what? It says striker. It says striker. That's when you know, guys, his iPad is so bad.
It's all glitchy.
Glitchy. I know. It's really glitchy. See, he's not even tapping any. Guys, if it stops, he just, yeah, he literally just clicks on it. It just makes him click on the link. Well, he normally leans on the link.
So I want to get lockdown.
No, but you need to know your password. Hey, look at that password. Black.
Oh
no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
It's a foot chance walkout. Can it be Messi? No. Can it be Van Dijk? It's Van Dijk! 92.
Did you do that?